Ready to upgrade your next trip from crowded gate to quiet lounge? You've got the Rogers World Elite MasterCard, but maybe you're confused about that DragonPass access. It sounds fancy, and it is, but a lot of people think it means free lounge visits, and that's where we need to clear things up. The truth is, the lounge benefit with the Rogers World Elite card is a membership, not a stack of free passes. So, what exactly are you getting, and how do you actually use it? Let's break down the 3 key steps to make the most of your DragonPass access. First up, enrollment is mandatory. Your Rogers World Elite card doesn't automatically grant you lounge access by simply flashing the plastic. You have to enroll through the official MasterCard portal, which uses the DragonPass network. The easiest way to do this is to search for the MasterCard Travel Pass app or website. You will register your Rogers World Elite card there. This process confirms your eligibility and creates your digital DragonPass membership card. It's a quick, one-time setup, and you'll immediately get a digital card with a QR code. Now for the most important point, the cost per visit. With the Rogers World Elite MasterCard, your complimentary DragonPass benefit is the free membership itself. This membership entitles you to access a network of over 1,300 lounges worldwide, but each visit comes at a reduced cost. As of right now, that cost is $32 per person, per visit. This fee applies to you, the cardholder, and any guests you bring along. So, while you're not paying the full, inflated walk-up price, you are paying a discounted fee every time you enter a lounge. This makes the benefit valuable if you're traveling through an airport with limited options or if you value a quiet space, but it's crucial to know that the visits are not free. Finally, how to access the lounge. Once you've done your enrollment, getting into the lounge is super simple. First, use the MasterCard Travel Pass app to look up the lounges at your departure airport. Check the specific lounge details to confirm capacity and location. When you arrive at the lounge, you have 2 options. You can present your physical Rogers World Elite MasterCard, or you can open the app and present the digital DragonPass QR code. The lounge staff will scan it, charge the $32 fee to your card, and welcome you in. And a pro tip, always carry your physical card, just in case a lounge's system has trouble processing the digital QR code. So, while the Rogers World Elite doesn't come with free champagne, it does give you the key to a global network of discounted lounges, instantly upgrading your travel experience. You just need to enroll first and budget for that $32 fee. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.